Hello. Akwaba to the returnees, Sankofa channel. It's your man always Kofi, and I'm glad today on behalf of the returnees, Sankofa channel, I'm bringing you an estate you will love to be whenever you are in Ghana, especially the returnees or folks who wants to return to Ghana, who wants to retire in Ghana and spend their whole time in peace and family. It's right here at the Knightsbridge Hilltop Apartment, real Hilltop Apartment, where you will see the entire community from the windows of your apartment when you're up in your room. Great. So this is Knightsbridge Apartment or Knightsbridge Estate, right at Kwabenya here. So I'll take you inside so you see some of the rooms and some of the buildings ongoing construction right here at the Knightsbridge Apartment. My name always Kofi. Follow me, let me show you around. Okay, so welcome back to the Returnees Sankofa channel. Here we are at the gate or the entrance, the main entrance of the Knightsbridge Apartment or Knightsbridge Estate. So you see right there we have Rehoboth City. So the Rehoboth City is the name of the company, but the estate or the apartment it's called Knightsbridge Apartment right here in Kwabenya. So this is the main entrance to the Knightsbridge Apartment or Knightsbridge Estate at Kwabenya. And remember, I'm taking you right inside and show you around a few times what they have, some of the rooms and how they look like right at Knightsbridge Apartment. Stay tuned. Come on, let's go in. Okay, so hello. At the moment, I'm at the Knightsbridge Apartment, one of the luxurious apartments you can find right in Ghana whenever you are here. Located at Kwabenya, off the Kwabenya Domain Road. So great.
On the hills.
On the hills, exactly. Good. So this is what I just want to show you. The room, how it looks like. This is a two-bedroom. Two-bedroom with a living room, toilet facility, and then kitchen as well. So what you're seeing right here is one big bedroom. Hall. So this is a showroom. The hall. This is how it looks like typically. Great. So all you see here is the hall or the living area. So this is the living area. You can see just right here at Knightsbridge Apartment. Very beautiful. So when I move forward, I'm heading towards the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, already finished. So you can see the kitchen right here. Very cute, very beautiful. Great. And then also on the corridor. This is small. You have a small corridor here. On my left here, this is a guest washroom or visitors washroom. You can see beautifully finished right here. And then again on the corridor heading towards the bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Very beautiful, well finished, very big, and then spacious. You can see right here, very luxurious. So this is Knightsbridge Apartment on the hills. Beautiful view, beautiful rooms you can have right here on the Knightsbridge Apartment right here. Very beautiful. This is the washroom right here of the master bedroom. Great. So now moving back on the corridor to the hall and to the bedroom 2 right here. So this is bedroom 2. You can see bedroom 2, very spacious, very luxurious, beautiful and colorful. So this is bedroom 2 right here. So the bedroom 2 shares the guest toilet as well.
So we have bedroom 2 right here. This is bedroom 2 right here, and then back to the hall. You can see the hallway just right here. Very beautiful and very colorful. Okay, so welcome back. Today, as I said earlier, I'm bringing you the nicest and then luxurious apartment you would like to be or live in when you are in Ghana, especially the returnees who wants to return to Ghana. So this is Knightsbridge apartment at Domi Kwabenya. Very beautiful 2-bedroom, 3-bedrooms apartments going on a cool price, very affordable on the hilltops. So all these apartments you see right here are newly built apartments or new construction going on. This is a real estate development going on right here in the Domi Kwabenya Knightsbridge apartment. Beautiful view when you are in your apartment looking down the hills. It's very, very beautiful views. So today I'm bringing you the Knightsbridge apartment right here in Ghana. When you make up your mind coming to Ghana to stay, especially returnees who wants to come and live permanently in Ghana on retirement or anyhow, these apartments are sold out cool prices. So this actually is the phase 1. This you are looking at is the phase 1. Then I'm going down. I'll show you playing ground, the mall, shopping center, everywhere. So this is how it looks like when I'm going just down the hills. And these are all beautiful apartments, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments being under construction, and soon will be ready for customers or clients to live in. And then not just the apartments you can see right here. So down here on my right is a recreational area. So these apartments or these estates have a recreational area where we have the swimming pool far ahead, and then the basketball court, and then other facilities like the shopping mall, the shopping center, also right here in this estates apartment. Remember, I am right here live at the Knightsbridge apartment at Kwabenya, downtown Kwabenya. So these are the Kwabenya Knightsbridge apartment, and I tell you what, all these apartments are already sold out because they are really affordable and very beautiful. When you are on the top looking at the view right down right behind you, it's so beautiful. So whenever you are in Ghana, you need an apartment, a place to be. There is phase 2 also going on right here in this estate that you can buy your 2-bedroom. So right at the recreational area again, you can see they have all these courts, which is the long tennis, or any tennis game right here again at the Knightsbridge apartment or Knightsbridge estate. That is the swimming pool far ahead. That is the court for basketball, also all for your exercise and for your children as well. I'll take you to where they have the mall or the market square, where you can have all your grocery needs, all your things bought at one place. So let me take you to where the mall is. It's also ongoing, under construction as well. Great. So I'm just bringing you on the first floor of the apartment or the estate right here, which is the Knightsbridge. So this is the view you get, or this is the view you see when you're on your apartment. I mean the corridor, the back corridor, or wherever you are from your window. This is what you see. You see right the entire community right from your window. So truly this tells you Knightsbridge is actually on the hilltop. Very beautiful view you see right far ahead. And then also back here you can see newly building construction are going on, which is the phase 2, actually going on. Still construction is going on at fast speed to finish it. So this whole area you see, it's actually right from the windows of one apartment. Great, beautiful view at Knightsbridge apartment or estate. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is the phase 2 of the real estate, which is the Knightsbridge apartment. And I tell you, Knightsbridge apartment has a lot to offer. Whenever you're in Ghana, you will have beautiful apartments to live in with your family. And I recommend this as one of the best areas or apartments that you can live fully in peace and happiness with your family, your whole family. So the new section or the new phase, which is the phase 2, goes up the hills, up ahead of me, right up on the top of the hills. I'm just showing you just the phase right here, so you see what I'm talking about right here. So these are also the phase 2, newly buildings. By end of this year, I'm sure it will be at full completion. So whenever you are in Ghana and you need a place, I recommend Knightsbridge apartments or Knightsbridge estates for you and your family to live in. So all you're seeing right here is part of Knightsbridge apartment. They are all newly building going on right here in the estate. So all these buildings are going on. Construction is still going on right here in the estates of Knightsbridge apartment. As you're looking or you're seeing right here in the Kwabenya estate or Kwabenya exactly. Okay, so the building you see far ahead, almost at the gate of the Knightsbridge apartment or estate, is the mall or the shopping center, which is still ongoing under construction and soon will reach completion, where you will find all your grocery needs, anything you need for your home, your kitchen, right here at the Knightsbridge apartments or Knightsbridge estate. Beautiful market square or shopping square right there. That is the building you're seeing far ahead. Yes. Yeah, so that is the shopping center or the shopping area. Again, you're seeing right here at the Knightsbridge apartments. So that's it. That's how, see how big it looks. Great. So right here is the Knightsbridge apartment, and that's the shopping center, which is under construction and soon will reach completion or finishing.